MotoCMS presents a new universally applicable theme for any kind of industrial or manufacturing company website. Meet ManuFactor. This theme is an optimal solution to create your business website fast and easy without any coding skills. It has everything you need. Various portfolios to display your business projects and showcase company services, profiles to introduce company team members, contact page to get in touch with you. Also, there are 3 child homepages specifically designed for textile, plastic, and chemical companies. Choose one of them to create a website where your products can be presented in the best light. Customize the template easily using a drag-and-drop visual editor, or completely change the web page layout moving its ready-made content blocks. ManuFactor theme is fully responsive and lightning fast thanks to its lightweight design. Add any functionality to your website with a huge collection of MotoCMS tools and widgets, sliders and galleries, audio and video widgets, SEO tools, Google Maps, contact form, and many more. With the template, you get 24/7 professional customer support, step-by-step interactive tutorials, and lots of other features. Get ManuFactor by MotoCMS now for only $199. And remember, beautiful website made easy with MotoCMS Website Builder.